Happy New Year to everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see from the title, we are going to be counting our little end of year budget. I did this video in November 4th, 2022, and the goal was for us to do like last minute challenge. It was not like and there was not a certain amount of money to put. So if you have not watched it, you can still go back. I'm going to put it here, or you can simply go back to my videos and watch it. So without wasting anybody's time, which I am so nervous to do this, and I'm also excited to do this as well, let's go ahead and count it. And before we go, excuse me, we have two envelopes. Yes, guys, two envelopes with money. Remember, we were putting any amount in here from November 4th. So from November 4th to December 4th is like a month, and then I think it's like 2 months period. So yeah, let's count this money and then let me know if you are willing to do another challenge with me, or if you still have your challenges and how I can help you, or the tips that you want me to give you. In other words, if you want me to make like a short video giving you guys tips on how you can do these challenges, let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to make a video just telling you or giving you tips on how you can succeed doing challenges like this. Let's go and count this money. So I had to change how the camera was so we focus here. I'm going to put my phone right here. The first thing we are going to do is to separate the money, which is to put, if they're 20s, 5, or to make it easy. This is money. Okay, so let's go ahead and separate this. So these are all 20s. I'm trying not to count. 1, 5, oops, more 20s. Oh, we have 100 here. Let me put it close to the camera. We have 20 here. We have $10 here. I'm not counting, I promise. I'm not counting. We are all going to count together. Can you feel it? It's a lot of 20s. Wow. A lot of 20s. 5 and more $5. 6 20s. Yeah, these 20s are winning. $1. And the reason why I had to do like a last minute challenge is because we all know how tough January is. So this money is definitely going to help us in one way or the other. Then here, 5 here. Oh, we have 50 here. Okay, I have more 20s here. We have more. 10, 5, 1. All right, so this is how it looks like. So we have $1 bills, $5 bills, $100 bill, $50 bill, and $10 bills. So I'm going to put them aside, maybe somewhere here, And we are going to start counting the 20s and putting them together. So let's do this. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. I think we might get like $1,000 or 1,500. Maybe. I'm not sure. I don't know about you, but I love counting money. I mean, not money for someone, like counting my money, not counting and giving it to someone else. So we're almost done with the 20s, and this thing is going up so quickly. We are done with the 20s, so let me be sure. Okay. So these are all the money, the 20s right here. Let's go with this one. I'm going to add it here. And okay. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Then 20. This is 50. And let's count the ones right now. 1, 2. Wait. 1 sec. So we have $20 here. Now, let's do the final counting. Are you ready? Yes, I know you are, and I'm ready too. $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, $600, $700, $800, $900, $1,000. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. 2,000. 100, 200. How much was this one? 200. Let me count it again. Yes. Okay, this was 50. 250. And this was 20. So 270. So our total is $2,270. So yeah, we are having this money, which we all counted. 2,000. Wow, guys. If you did join me in this challenge, congratulations. And if you did not join me, I hope in my next one, I don't know when I'm going to do it. I hope you join me because trust me, it might be difficult, but at the end, you pay off. So yes, guys, let me know if you like to do any type of challenge. Let me know in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do that and share with friends. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.